In this video, I will show you how to find Alipay account report center. Let me show you how. Open up your Alipay app to report any Alipay account related issue. Go ahead and click on account. Click on this setting icon from the top. Click on account and security. Click on security center. Click on report center. Then here you go. You have different means of report. First thing first, make sure you read this detail right here. Report process guideline. Choose type of report, fill in the complaint information, wait for the report result, feedback received, report completed. That is the last stage. Simply go ahead and click on OK right here. Once you click on OK, then you have different kind of report you can engage in Alipay, such as account theft, internet fraud, gambling rug, finance service violation, service provider violation, merchant receipt code replacement, illegal and harmful information, and Javiscar. If you have any of the options related issue right here, just go ahead and click on any one related that you want to report, fill in your report detail and make it clearly, and Alipay is going to get back to you within a very short period of time and fix the particular problem. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay related topic, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.